Hello, cordial greeting. My name is Dayhan Herrera. I am student of the English course B2, while the tutor David Jimenez. Personal presentation. Introduction. In this present activity, I will present my life project, expressing my hope and expectation for the future using the future perfect conditionals and parallel verbs. For the not distant future, I will have acquired my home I have. It will not be age, but I will be able to have my own home for my family. For new will focus on the career and in 10 years and will have the keys to my house. Another expectation I have the future is the pure vehicle to be on the transporter myself, my family, and the more comfortable and fast why says I currently travel I wish in the way on the children of the motorcycle. I will strive to have a priority on the 10 years. The pursuit of my car is mainly for focus on the care and will have my car man more single. I also want to finish my dream and using administration while on the while studying engineering. When this happens in the wilds in the own one beach drains for new and will country on the focus unit the drain 10 in the 4 years in the will begging specialization in the possibility in the world mind on the off and will base to studying engineering also in 1 year in 15 years of the everything on the web and will create my own multi-services company. For the future on the myself as super professional by team and will move certain I have finished my specialization in the final administration for this try on the 4 in the morning on every fully my responsibility. A string right to high to beast of myself in the construction of distraction future therefore go in the way 20 years and with the working split for my children for how in the whole expression of is problem for money. Finally, finally, I want I want to hold at the core of Colombia why my family because we worldwide to aid in the rainbow is gastronomy and culturally regional. In the 1 year I might have fields on the throne the regional I always I have endeavor on the same of trade, possibly managed to photography in the dove not right much. Unfrozen moments while with parallels the those of anecdotes in 18 years, 18 years to all grandchildren of onward in the toast place again, possibly raise wonderful moments again. If a word of love, I would respect that beautiful journey in the old age. Conclusion. The contextual, the contextual development of this activity, we can conclude the importance of grammatical tense and application in development and the appropriation the English language. Bibliographic reference. Thank you.